Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you what to do if the sound from your headphones shudders or is intermittent. What to do in such situation. The first thing that you need to make sure you don't do is that you can't use Bluetooth mode underwater, and it's because Bluetooth can't go through water. This signal can't go through. You need to use only MP3 mode there. Even while swimming, normal swimming, you can't use Bluetooth mode because it won't work. Yeah, right. Like, I don't know how to explain this to you. The signal just won't go through water, and you need to just use MP3 mode with the songs loaded on your headphones. However, if you're using your headphones normally, for example while running or while doing anything else, the issue is quite located quite in a different place. At first, try pairing your headphones with a different device, like for example your friend's phone or your laptop. Doesn't matter. And there you need to check if the sound is the same. Like, if the sound shudders, if it's intermittent, or you know what I mean. You need to check if you've got the same issue. If you do, your headphones are at fault and you need to perform a factory reset now because there is nothing we can do. I mean, there is one thing apart from the factory reset which I will tell you in a moment. However, if your headphones work normally on other device, like the sound is brilliant, the issue is located in your phone and you need to do something with your phone, fix it. Let's go back to our headphones. If you see that your issue is located in your headphones, like it doesn't work anywhere, you need to perform a factory reset. But before the factory reset, charge them. Charge them up to 100%. Put this cable right here and wait a few hours. Then you can check if it works. If it works, that's nice. However, if it doesn't, perform a factory reset. Hold this multifunctional button, this middle one right here, and the volume up buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds till you see this red light going crazy. And that should be actually it. The last two things that we could do is of course factory reset and charging up to 100%. That's it. Bye.